baby. This is only for champions. Let's go. Come on. Champions only. Get up there, baby. That's one. Get down there. I call this exercise all in one. All in one. Come on. Let's go. Get up. All in one. That's two. This is a mind twisters drill. I'm about to say it again. It's a mind twisters drill. That's my drill right here you're looking at. Let's go, baby. You won't see that anywhere else. Let's go. Come on. Get up there. That's three. Come on. I like that. Do it for the mind twister, man.
I cannot do this.
Yes, you can. On Memorial Day 2011. Yes, honey, you can.
Okay, I can do it only with you.
This is my lovely wife right here at the window. She says she can. Yes, you can do it. You can do it.
I can.
Hell yes, you can. Let's go, baby. That's for me 5 right there. Let's go, baby. Come on. Training a U.S. Marine on Memorial Day. It doesn't get any better than that. Let's go, baby. Come on. Get up there. Get up. I like that face. Oh, I like to see your face like that. Oh, baby. Oh, my God. Doesn't get any better than that. Jump, baby, jump. What? Ah.